Come on, get your babies.
Come on, get your baby.
There's one that's running away from you.
Get your baby.
Go, get your baby.
Come on.
No, come on. Get your other baby too. He's like, where have you been? I've been waiting for you. How are you supposed to get back in the nest? Go. Oh, don't run it. Ah.
Is that the problem? It needs a nest.
Well, where do they live?
In the palm tree.
Oh, yeah. So, the other one's still in there. Should we put that one back in there? Or should we keep it on the porch? Ew, birdies. Look, I have no idea. The other one's just sitting in there. A stroll?
Yeah.
Like in that. Okay.
I know, that's the mama.
Baby bird.
Here, come get your baby. Come get your baby. All right. Walk. I can get the mama laying on the box.
I know.
Because I don't want it hopping off and falling.
Can't really see them. Oh, there you go. You can see that one just like hopping around. It's like, get me out of here. I don't want to be in here. Why is this entertaining? Oh! And he's out again. I did him one second, do it again. That was spicy. Go, birdie. Hopping around the porch.
But how is the mama going to take it?
I have to put it somewhere. I don't know, they're birds.
Oh, there's the mama.
Just there. Oh,
There they are.
don't leave.
Where's the little baby? I lost it.
It's probably behind something. Yeah, it's probably behind the bench. I'll watch the birds. Nope. Ran away. The other one's still in that box.
Oh, it's not as spicy.
There's a bird.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the mom?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's sitting on another bird. Yes, go. Did we find the other baby? And the other feisty.
Just wobble to it. Crack the nose.
We have baby birds now.
Oh, it's way over there.
Way over there?
Oh, gosh, damn it.
Oh no, not the cat. Cats. It's over there.
Why do we put the bird in a nest?
Yeah, but it'll know that it's not that nest. It's not the right nest.
The bird will know it's not the right nest.
They're smart. Birds aren't stupid. Just don't know how to feel about having birds. So the other one's still in that box?
Mm-hmm.
Come here, baby. There's a spider. There it is. Come here, baby bird. Baby. Come on. Let's see your brother. Your sister. Oh. You know, oh. He said hi to the camera. Yes, I'm recording this. Say hi. Say hi. No? Okay. What about you? You're just gonna sit there and be emotionless? I'm afraid. Alright. So that one's way over there. They're kind of just sitting there doing nothing.
Yeah, but
So we somehow managed to lose one. We have the little one. The little shy. Oh crap, it's raining. And we lost the feisty one, so. I'm just kind of looking around. Can you spot the feisty one? No, I'm just kidding. Can't find the tiny bird. Oh man, this mom's gonna be mad. There we go, taking good. Birdie! Birdie! That one little one's just like, where are you? I think I see it. Nope. Well, it's obviously the Link colony, so it has to be in there. I guess it's just buried. Something. I hope. Oh, yeah, right there. Just got chilling out. So, yes, go, get your babies. Yay. Yay. The bird's back. The big one. Oh, no, don't leave. He's looking for the feisty one. Aww. Oh, don't leave. No.
Well, at least,
He's on top of our house.
well, no, he knows where it is then.
Alright.
Where does, oh, look at all the birds. Good.
We have a lot of birds. This is normal.
But I don't know where the feisty one went.
Well, I heard him calling from under the plant.
Yeah, there's one up underneath the plant. But I put them both underneath the plant.
I know,
And then
but I
one
heard
came
that
in,
one.
And no cat came in the yard.
Oh no, don't leave. He's living on top of our house now. There he is. Is that thunder?
Uh-huh.
Dang it. Oh, look at all the birds.
Because Les is disturbing their nest.
Well,
And
why
they're-
doesn't Les keep them then?
No, because Les was working. I guess he thought we could do something. I can put it there by my palm tree and let the mama deal with them.
If it's dark. No, don't leave. Take your birdies.
Well, I don't know what phone number is associated with mine.
He's on the phone. Oh yes, pick up some stuff and give them to your babies. Your baby, since we lost the other one. Ah.
000748749.
Oh, didn't seem so well. No, don't leave. And he flew away.